Maganda dito sa SOAR, meron silang playground for kids. Then, di ba pala yung kanilang pool? Meron doon sa dulo. Sa dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima? Anim pala. Anim na malalaking pool. Hi guys! So, magkukondo tour muna tayo dito sa Shore 2. Dito lang yan sa may Mall of Asia. So, ito yung kanilang kitchen. So, meron ng electric gas stove. Then, meron na ring rice cooker. Then, kettle. Then, may mga plates na din. So, may sink. Then, may microwave. Then, may mini ref na. Then, dito, meron ng, I think, sofa bed to. Tapos, ito yung style na kanilang living room. So, may malaking TV. And then, yan yung kanyang design. As, ito yung kanyang sala set. So, ito, sofa bed siya para kung mayroon pa mag-stay. Pero itong nakuha namin is good for 2 adult only. Pero may kids na extra. So, pinagbigyan na kami. And then, ito yung kanilang bedroom. So, dito kami nagstay sa Gemstone BR. So, may pa thank you card na rin. Here. So, yan, may thank you card. Dear Mr. and Mrs., thank you for choosing Jamestone's BR. We're excited to hear you here and you are committed to ensure your staying is filled with joy and comfort. So, yon. Meron na rin pa free towel. And then, ito yung kanilang balcony. So, yan. So, ayoko na lumabas kasi medyo takot ako sa heights. So, meron ditong pa-mini table. So, since may work yung husband ko, ayan, may work yung husband ko. So, dito mo siya mag-work for tonight. So, we are here in Shore 2 SMDC. Malapit sa MOA. And we are celebrating Adrian's 9th birthday. So, 3 days and 2 nights kami dito. So, ito yung kanilang pool area. So, mahaba itong pool area nila hanggang doon. Then, meron pa sila dito, pool area. So, nabook namin to for only 2,300. So, pinako lang 5,000. So, yun. Swimming sa Adrian. Hindi mo na ako mag-swimming. Since may bayad siya, 150. And then, saglit na naman kami mag-swimming. Tapos tomorrow na lang. Sa Adrian. With this dinosaur goggle. Giniginaw, malamig daw yung pool. Kaya di ako swimming, malamig yung pool. So, nighttime na. And ito yung aming balcony. Dito sa shore. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ayoko lumabas. Pero sa 12th floor lang naman kami. Takot kasi ako sa heights. So, ito yung aking baby. Nandito siya sa sofa bed while watching YouTube. So, may Netflix naman. Kaso wala siyang access. Pero meron naman ako Netflix. So, we can access yung Netflix. So, yun yung baby ko. And waiting kami sa food. Yan. Ganda na. Balcony sa labas. So, yun. So, ito yung aming room for 3 days and 2 nights. So, this is our day 2 sa SOAR Residences. Ito lang yan sa may MOA. At mag-swimming kami. Bali, ito yung hallway ng kanilang condo. Let's go to swim. Well, naman ticket. Going to the pool area ng SOAR. So, this is our day 2 here in SOAR 2 SMDC MOA. Dahil mag-celebrate kami ng Father's Day and 10th birthday ni Adrian. So, yan sila, nagsuswimming. Solong-solo ang pool. Yun. So, hi to my vlog.
You get that, mommy, sorry, I want your pants.
Okay, that's fine. So, ayan, enjoy ang bata, swimming. And then, mamaya punta naman kaming MOA para mag-dinner. And then, siguro magra-rides na rin kami. Yun lang! Yes, my camera is waterproof.
Let me see, give me.
I don't want.
Why?
Ayoko nga.
If it's not waterproof, let me test it. If it's
Go to swim.
let me see if it's waterproof.
No!
Oh, diba?
Where's the chocoy?
You can use this.
Finish. Kapol.
Adrian!
Watch this.